Here comes the CN train here at Dorval. He's coming westbound, sorry, eastbound on the 26th of June, 2022. Under cloudy skies with a little bit of drizzle. Was going to be a rainstorm, I thought. Nice! That's cool, look at that. Also those telephone poles. Oh, it's cool to see those loads. Actually have an end scale cat excavator sitting on top of a flat car similar to that. Another GEVO as the DPU unit. Knew there had to be one because there was only one locomotive up front. Look at those heavy skies, heavy clouds. Heavy clouds here at Dorval. It's gonna rain soon. Really hard, eventually. I was kind of hoping for a more dramatic sky. However, you get what you can. It was very hot today, so usually when you get very hot day and then the clouds build in, as soon as the barometer drops, you get a huge downpour. And that's the end of the train right there, heading through Dorval. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.